What up, people of the internet? This is your boy GJ16, and welcome back to my channel. Obviously, I didn't post Thursday. I didn't post Friday, and the reason why I didn't post those days was because F1 has decided that they are no longer going to accept any accounts from the USA, United States, or Canada. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna read it up. I received this message from them says hello, welcome to F1 Trade. F1 Trade would like to advise that it has decided to close all accounts where the account holder is from the United States or from Canada, in accordance with their applicable local laws and regulations. In light of this, changes have been made to your trading account. If you have any open positions, you have until Wednesday, September the 30th, to close these positions. In the event that you have no open positions, your trading platform has been closed, and you will need to make a withdrawal from your remaining account balance. Now, when I received this, I immediately asked them, what about if you already have an account with them? Can we keep it, right? So like, I kind of wanted to fly on the radar, and I was like, I received this, but I decided that I was gonna log in Thursday. I logged in Thursday. I was allowed on the trading platform, which is they use Dash Trader Pro. I logged on to my Dash Trader Pro account, and I had my funds still there, so I was still able to trade before pre-market. Doing pre-market. So I don't trade pre-market, by the way. So I was like, so I might have a chance to trade that day, and I was like, maybe I can slide on the radar or whatever. Nope. Like 15 minutes before the bell, it literally logged me out of my Dash Trader Pro account and said that the account was closed. So the answer to the question, even if you already have an account, you cannot. They closing accounts. They want you to go ahead and take your money off. And I noticed that also in the comment section, it's happened to other people that I followed on YouTube. It happens to them as well. So yeah, it's real, guys. So F1 Trade is no longer allowing US and Canada ones onto their platform anymore. They saying it's because of their local laws and whatnot. I'm not really sure that, because if I'm correct on this, I believe the F1 Trade is in the Bahamas. CMEG is also located in the Bahamas. If y'all hear any noise like that, my neighbors are playing music, so and they having a good time over there. Anyway, so I don't really know what really is the reason why they closed the account. Also, I wanted to share with you guys my win-loss for this past week, because I haven't had the chance to share with. The thing is, I'm a little bit upset the fact that I didn't get a chance to make any of my money back on Thursday and Friday. At all. So I'm in a hole that I couldn't even get back out of. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and look into close that out. And I'm gonna go up here and do the full week to show you that I haven't made any trades on Thursday or Friday. And this should be Monday, the 28th. Go. All right, so we still here. There you have it. These are all the trades I made this week. And as you see here, this big red, well, let's go here. This is what matters here, because this is after commissions. $347.25. I want to say Monday was probably my worst loss trading in my account in a while, other than my practice trading account. And something that I gotta get better at, and I must get better at, is managing, trade managing, money managing, or whatever you want to call it. I need to manage how much I will lose in a trade. I need to get really, really good at it, right? So one of our main jobs in being day traders for a living is managing our money on there. And I did not do a good job at it. I mean, sometimes stuff like this happened, like when I traded APM earlier this year and it just slammed down. That happened. But my losses should never be over $80. Over, actually, my goal was to not have a loss that's over $50. I failed on that on APM and SPCE. Even though it slammed down, I didn't have the right amount in there for me to be like, hey, I'm out. As soon as, where it wouldn't be this large of a loss, especially down here on, I think what happened on SPCE is that this is one of those stocks that I could not let go of. Earlier this week on Monday, I couldn't let it go. Like, I had to trade it. I kept trading it, and it's like something that for some reason I was stuck on it. Look at that. I had on this one alone, I had 29 tickets. I was going in and out of that joker like crazy, man. So that was like over trading that day. I just basically over traded that whole day, and it was not good. Like, it's grab hold of me. I mean, as soon as I had a loss on it, I should have just let it go. But it's just one of them things that casts, man. I don't know what it was, man. I just couldn't let it go. I over traded it. Something I need to learn more about is let me show y'all the fees and commissions with these things. Like, one of the things that I liked about F1 trading, I'm gonna tell you the things that you don't like about F1 trading, and the things you will like about F1 trading. One of the things you will like about F1 trading is obviously the commissions, right? Out of all that trading, all those tickets, 67 tickets, it only cost me $67. That's it. $67 out of 67 tickets. That's $1 a trade. On CMEG, the one that I'm going to be trading on Monday, either Monday, Tuesday, whenever my money get in there, I'll be back to recording and trading normally. I got a promo code, so it's $3 a ticket, but they really charge $5 a ticket. Not only that, they also charge for whatever route you take, exchange you take, in the NASDAQ, New York stock, whatever route you take, they charging, right, for that as well. That's what I liked about F1. The thing that I didn't like about F1 is the fact that you have a restriction list at the beginning. At 9 o'clock, they always send out the restriction list of stocks that you can't trade. And on that stock that you can't trade is always stocks that had news come out, the runners of the day, and things like that. So you pretty much have to try to find your stocks that are either trade them with less, with a restricted amount of shares to use, or find stocks that flew under their radar. So you had options, and I was fine with that. You know, I was making my weekly goal. I didn't get a chance to knock this down Thursday and Friday, to knock that $347 down Thursday and Friday. This $347 pretty much wiped out my gains and doubled it because of bad management, trading management, money management on my part on the platform. So shoot, that's me, man. The thing is, I just gotta get better. Those things I should know. And you seen on a previous video, I definitely chased. There's some things that I still need to learn. As a new trader, I need to make sure that I continue to keep a notation of all my things. In other words, keeping a journal on my progress and my non-progress and my things like that. And also learning from my mistakes, man. I mean, changing some things up, getting better in my trade. So hopefully I do that. One of the things that I used to trade on CMEG a month ago, 2 months, maybe 2 months ago. When I first started, I traded CMEG. And where is it? Well, TradeView. TradeView keeps account, like it's like a little journal for you to keep account of. It was pretty bad. I started out good. It was pretty bad. This is something I think I might start implementing into my dashboard. Oh, here we go. All right, so with the win-loss thing that's going on, it wasn't like this at first. Like when I first started off, right here, this pretty much is what I tell you. Like my P&L, I spiked up to $500 and some, and then it just slammed down. I was just losing money. I think what happened was I got overconfident when I had those big gains. Boom. Like I had 500 and some dollars, made 59. Then the next day I made 533. Like you couldn't tell me at the time that I was doing good, but I mean I wasn't doing good, but reality set in, and this is what I got. So my goal now is to make sure that my P&L and my losses might be bigger than my wins, but I want my winning percentage, my wins, to be bigger than my losses are. Like that's those win-losses right there. Like looking at this, I shouldn't have over close to $1,500 in losses. I should have had $1,500 in wins and maybe $200 $300. I mean, maybe $200 to $500 in losses. Like my goal, one of my goals that I'm gonna be doing with CMEG, because the commissions are so high, I need my wins. I'm gonna be shooting the 3-to-1 for the 3-to-1 win ratio. So in other words, like for every one loss, I want a 3% gain, right? For the wins. For every win, I want a 3% gain. For every loss, I want a 1% loss. That way, if I have more losses, my gains, I still have more gains than my losses. And therefore, my P&L for that month, that week, or whatever would be better despite the losses. So yeah, then that's all I got for you. F1 has gone down. I'm moving over to CMEG unless somebody else knows if there are another exchange brokers out there that I can use and that don't have as high as commissions as CMEG do. But I should be back on the road with it again, man. And my challenge, I'm trying to get to 25,000. Well, actually, I need to make more than that. I need to make more than 25,000 in order to move my stuff to a broker here in the U.S. and I can trade on a broker here in the U.S. Without the PDT rule. So I'm gonna be looking for it. And my goal, I guess what I should start doing, I need to start putting up my goal. So what is my goal in day trading is to try to at least make 30 grand. 30, no, let's make it 35. Make it 35 grand, because I don't want to start back over with no small money challenge, you know what I'm saying? That way, because they're gonna have, you gotta have 25 in the exchange in order to use it. So my goal has to be about 35 and up. That way I can trade with the 10 grand. So I'm gonna put that. This is my goal. My goal is to make 35 to 50 grand in order to move my money to an exchange and start trading with a U.S. broker and take my money from offshore broker. So I mean, it's always gonna be something happening offshore where your money is not really secure as it will be here. With a U.S. broker, being from the U.S., I have to say, being from the U.S. and having those U.S. rules, I would prefer to be with a U.S. broker. But anyways, anybody know a broker out there that's, I want to say this, like F1 or whatever, with a dollar commission for every trade? Let me know, man. Send me some information where I can look it up, get some details on it. And until then, I'll be using CMEG. And that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully I see y'all Monday. If not, definitely Tuesday. And that'll be it, man. Peace.